Well, we came this morning and we have done the re-evaluation, or the URA staff, together with UPDF, have re-examined the car in our presence. We've done everything, including weighing the car. This is the last exercise we did just a few minutes ago, where we went to a nearby weigh bridge and weighed the car. So we await a report in a few hours from now about what they have found and probably what they think the way forward should be.
Is the car safe according to your statement? To
the best of our knowledge and confirmation, it was as we left it. We opened it this morning. They've searched the car in our presence and we have locked it and retained the keys. We hope that it's going to remain open, but it's not 100% guaranteed because it's in their bonded warehouse.
And when do you expect to get the report after evaluation?
We expect the report before close of business today. At least the URA report on what they have found and what they demand of us.
Maybe are you willing to pay the taxes? For example, if URA finds that maybe the car was not cleared, is your client willing to pay another?
My client is a law-abiding citizen, and as far as he knows, he's the elected president of Uganda, so paying tax is one of the simplest tasks he would want to do, only that he has to pay the tax according to the law. So we shall look at the assessment, if any, and advise him accordingly, but payment should be least of his worries, although it means taking money out of your pocket to meet an expense.
We've seen the car going out a few minutes back. Were you in control?
Yes, the driver of our client was in, I was in, and of course plus other security agencies and URA officials. So we took it out and brought it back and locked it. So we still have the key.
So UPDF
officers, what happened?
We'll say the car is still safe as far as we know and can manage that. We have locked it, but you see, a car is open in many ways. There is the interior, but there is underneath the car. So there are so many things that can be done to a car even when you have locked it. But as far as we are concerned, we have locked and we have the keys. About the UPDF, well, our concern, that's another big concern, because as far as we are concerned, it is URA that asked for the car, and the reason was simple, that it was undervalued, or they think it was undervalued for tax or underassessed. But to our surprise, the UPDF is actually in control and SFC is in control. So we hope it is not anything beyond a citizen purchasing a car and paying tax for it.
So when are they releasing the report according to their...
According to them, in a few hours from now, by close of business today, they should be releasing the report. Because remember, the case is still in court. We have not withdrawn the case. We hope that if everything is sorted amicably, then we can withdraw the case. If not, the case is still ongoing.
What should we expect from that report?
What we expect from the report is, in my opinion, that the car is armored. I expect a report that the car is armored. I also expect a report that probably they need some little more pennies on the tax that we paid, and we shall deal with the report as and when it comes. Kyensuubira nti bagenda kuleeta report nti emmotoka eri armored, nti oba eriko ebiziyiza obulumbaganyi obw'ebisi, olw'ensonga nti ne bw'oba gwe n'ogitunulira naye mu mateeka ate gwe kyolabye kiyinza obutaba kyekyo. N'ensuubira reporting egamba nti emmotoka eri armored, n'ekyokulisuubira reporting egamba nti baagalayo ko kasente akalala akatonotono. Awatali ekyo simanyi kirala kyenyinza kusuubira. Ekyo kyennyini Uganda. Ekisooka bukyanga tuleeta mmotoka eno, ffe tubadde tumanyi nti URA ayagala emmotoka, era ne mu kkooti URA gye twawaabira, naye ate gye bugenda bweyoleka emmotoka ate abaginamu interest baleka bangi, kubanga n'ebitongole bikuumaddembe bibaddewo, era n'okugifulumya obufulumya ogenda ogipima, kubanga URA tebadde na minzaani munda, naye era tufulumye n'abasirikale, tufulumye n'abakuumaddembe. Kirabika oba oliawo nabo baagala kakasa nti emmotoka eri armored oba teri, na butya bw'esasudde musolo. Naye nga ffe tubadde tusuubira nti URA yokka yeekola ki, yegenda okulaba emmotoka.
Bwekiba nti kiyingidde mu magye nga te mu ntandikwa kya URA, nomulaba kigenda